Hey guys, in today's video review and unboxing, we're going to have a look at this Parkside Electric Precision Screwdriver. And this is something that's new from the Parkside family, and it's a good addition. We always had the small precision tools from Parkside, but we never had a motorized one. Let's take a look first at the box. It's shown how the screwdriver looks like, and it's shown that we have 20 bits on the inside. What we see is that we have an integrated LED work light. We have two buttons for switching clockwise or anti-clockwise on the rotation. 3 years of warranty, of course, which is standard for Parkside. And on the back we have some more details. All the bits that are inside are listed. They're all 4 millimeters, and this means you can use the bits from their other precision sets. They should fit right on the screwdriver. We see it's 0.2 newton meters, which is very suitable for opening laptops, computers, phones, and so on. What else? We see that we have 160 RPMs per minute, and the max RPMs are 200. It works, an important note is that it works with 888 batteries. You're going to need 2 of them, and it seems that they're already fitted inside. Let's get to the unboxing and see the actual screwdriver. This is the screwdriver. It has some weight to it, which makes it comfortable to hold. You can hold it like a pen if you'd like, or you can just hold it with 3 fingers as a screwdriver. We have a lid, a top lid, and we can see the 888 batteries, which are already fitted inside. It had a small protective cover which you need to remove, and now it should work. You can hear the sound. It's very quiet and it makes some sort of a whiny sound, but it has most probably a very tiny electric motor inside, which makes sense. We're going to take a P5 bit, put it inside. This is how it works. Now let's do an actual test and see how it performs on a laptop, let's say. Let's do a quick test on this laptop. I'm going to put the appropriate bit, remove the P5, and put a smaller one. And it doesn't exactly have the power to do it. You need to help it a bit. So first you need to put it, and you need to do the first twist by hand so it can unscrew it. As you can see, it doesn't have the power to do it on its own. Let me zoom in a bit and show you. As you can see, it's not able to unscrew it. But if you help it a bit, if you do the first twist, And yeah. And something weird. If you see now, it's not moving. I'm pressing the button and nothing is happening. Okay, now it unlocked. I don't know if that's on purpose or it's a faulty unit. But if it's not able to unscrew it, it simply locks itself. Can you see? Nothing is happening. I'm not sure if this is supposed to happen. As you can see, nothing. I'm pressing the button, the LED is lighting up, but there's nothing. This is an iPhone. Let's see if it will be able to unscrew the tiny penti-warp screws on an iPhone. Same thing. As you can see, I'm pressing the button, nothing happens. And it's not able to unscrew even the screws from the phone. I'm not sure in this case what the purpose of this screwdriver is, to be honest. My final thoughts on the screwdriver is don't waste your money. Don't buy it. It's not working. It either my unit is faulty, or if this is the case with all of them, I don't see the purpose of it. I don't see what's the meaning. I don't see how exactly this screwdriver can be of any help. You need to do it by hand anyways. What I'm going to do, I'm going to the store to return it and get my money back. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I helped someone out there taking a decision. See ya.